Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a fantastic product to review, the LUBTOSMN Flower and Leaf Cookie Cutter Set. If you're looking for the best leaf cookie cutters mini available in the market, look no further. This 7-piece set includes a variety of spring flower-themed shapes such as daisy, lily, rose, tulip, oak leaf, and butterfly. Made of food-grade stainless steel, these cookie cutters are safe to use from 40 degrees below zero to 230 degrees, making them durable and long-lasting. The deep 1-inch design is perfect for creating beautifully shaped cookies or fondant decorations. Made of stainless steel, resistant to rust, and dishwasher safe. Includes 7 assorted flower and leaf shapes for versatile baking options. Can be used for cutting cookie dough, fondant, soft fruits, bread, sandwiches, cheese, and more. Great for spring, Easter holidays, birthdays, or baby showers. Ideal gift for baking lovers, Mother's Day, and Father's Day. In conclusion, the LUBTOSMN Flower and Leaf Cookie Cutter Set is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. Its durable construction and versatile shapes make it a great tool for creating fun and delicious treats. Don't miss out on adding this set to your baking collection. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow bakers. Until next time, happy baking!